This Coldwell Banker High Country Realty property video is presented by Tanya Davenport. Rolling terrain boasts beautiful green pastures leading to hardwood forests, a rare find with endless possibilities. This property has access from two common roads in Mineral. The hardscrabble entrance, wooded side, is accompanied by towering hardwoods, roads to enjoy throughout, ATV, leading to the pasture of the property, and an abundance of streams. Humphrey Mill, pasture side, is a sprawling 20-acre tract of rolling green acres for cattle and/or horses. The farm already has fruit trees planted, your red barn, and a silo. Bring your livestock and plow, and start living the relaxing life that our community offers. Enjoy the picturesque views of the large pond and pasture from your home's front porch. The home is a 2021 permanent foundation, framed with 2x6 walls, 2,280 square feet, and provides 4 bedroom/2 bath in a country-style home suitable to the property. Conveniently located just a few minutes from historic downtown Blue Ridge, Lake Bedroom, Toccoa River, trails, and more, situated off of scenic paved roads with easy access to Highway 515, yet tucked away for plenty of privacy. Whether you keep it for yourself or take an opportunity to develop it, it's a must-see. For more information, review the